Wondering how to look up a classic 11-digit VIN number? What is 11-digit VIN instead of 17 digits? Before 1981, there was no global standard for vehicle identification numbers. Each manufacturer used its own systems. So VIN could be anywhere from 5 to 14 digits long. That's why every VIN lookup services keep telling you that VIN under 17 digits are not supported. But that's not the end of the world. Classic Decoder can decode your classic 11-digit VINs. We decode classic VINs accurately. Review auction and sales history with images, title records, ownership records, accident and damage reports, theft alerts, lien or loan records, mileage checks, and more. Confirm factory specs including the engine, transmission, factory paint colors, equipment details, and more using the build sheet. Classic Decoder even provide the digital garage for instant specs viewing. Upload documents and photos to track your restoration journey and showcase your entire collection. Other VIN decoders often fail to decode classic 5 to 13-digit VINs, but Classic Decoder is built to decode them accurately. Proofs in the results. Here's what real users say. Use the discount link in the video description to get whopping discounts on classic history reports and build sheets. Classic Decoder is also available on the App Store and Google Play. Check your classic 11-digit VIN today. Unlock its history, factory specs with report and build sheet instantly.